Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore backup data from Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now in accounts and backup, click on restore data in Samsung Cloud section. Now from here, choose the backup that you want to use, and after choosing the backup, now from here you can restore the backup data from Samsung Cloud. So if you want to restore the settings or the clock customization, then select only clock and then click on restore, and then it will start restoring your data. So that's how you can restore backup data from Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.